Nakumpiska ng Panglao PNP ang 2.2 milyon halaga ng shabu sa isinagawang buy-bust operation sa Barangay Poblasyon Panglao Bohol noong ika-17 ng Abril taong kasalukuyan. Kinilala ni Police Major John Caleb Dil Sanchez, Chief of Police ng Panglao Police Station, ang suspect na si Hill, high-value individual, 47 anyos at residente ng Barangay Kugon, Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Bandang alas 12:18 ng hating gabi nang ikinasa ng Municipal Drug Enforcement Team ng Panglao Municipal Police Station ang nasabing operasyon na nagresulta sa pagka-aresto na natural suspect at pagka-recover ng isang medium-pack plastic sachet at 3 large-pack plastic sachet na hinihinalang shabu na may timbang na higit kumulang na 325 gramo at may standard drug price na 2,210,000 pesos, isang unit ng Vivo cellphone, blue sling bag at buy-bust money. Samantala, kasalukuyang nasa kustodiya ng Panglao Municipal Police Station ang suspect para sa dokumentasyon at tamang disposisyon na kung saan mahaharap ito sa kasong paglabag sa Republic Act 9165 o Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002.
About 12:18 a.m. of April 17, 2024 at Purok 6, Barangay Poblasyon, Panglao, Intel operatives of Panglao Police Station conducted anti-illegal drug operations against Hill. I would like to thank all the citizens of Panglao for your continuing support in our endeavor against illegal drugs. I would like also to encourage all the citizens in the province of Bohol, especially the citizens of Municipality of Panglao, to continue your support in the programs of the PNP. This endeavor will benefit not only us but also yours and to our younger generations. Sa bagong Pilipinas, ang gusto ng pulis ay ligtas ka.
Sa ngalan po ng aming Provincial Director, Police Colonel Lorenzo Alfitsi Batuan, Bohol Police Provincial Office would like to commend the PNP personnel from Panglao Police Station headed by Police Major John Caleb Sanchez, the Chief of Police, together with his Municipal Drug Enforcement Team and intelligence personnel for a successful anti-illegal drugs operations conducted with the Bohol's action plan in the proliferation of illegal drugs in the province. We are continually conducting a series of law enforcement operations to ensure the accomplishment of the supply reduction strategy and to arrest illegal drug personalities in the province.
Ang Panglao PNP ay patuloy sa pagpapaiting na kanilang kampanya kontra iligal na droga at anumang uri ng kriminalidad upang mapanatiling ligtas ang kanilang nasasakupan.
Mula dito sa Bohol Police Provincial Office, ako yung Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolwoman Nikia Cañedo, alagad ng batas, taga-taguyod ng Balitang Pulis.